Hello there, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I would like to show you how to make some white sweet potatoes fried in the deep fryer. Yes, we're going to fry white sweet potatoes in the deep fryer. Now I can't wait to bite into that. What about you? Okay, alright, so give it a thumbs up if you like it, share the video, subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. And check out those links below to see if you want to support this channel in any way possible. I am in need for a camera, and I'm saving up towards that with any donation that comes through the channel. Okay, thank you. Let's get started. Okay, so let me show you the white sweet potatoes that we're going to be frying. It looks like this. I took the peeling off, and then I just cut it into these slices here. It's not very thick slices. They're maybe less than 1/4 of an inch. Alright, so we're going to do an egg wash. I have 1 egg. Remember egg wash is egg and water or egg and milk. We're going to be doing milk. I have some milk here. Any kind of milk you have is fine. Okay, now we're going to add some salt. Pepper. Whatever seasonings you're going to add, you need to add it to the egg wash. Cinnamon. Okay, and I think I want to add some garlic. Yeah, ground garlic. Okay, I'm going to mix that up. That's how egg wash is looking. Okay, I'm going to pour the water that I had over the sweet potatoes, preserving it. Pour that off. Okay, now we're going to put the sweet potato in the egg wash on both sides. Oh, and I need some flour. Give me a second. Okay, I have my flour now that I forgot. And we're going to put the same seasonings in the flour. Pepper. Salt, garlic, and cinnamon. I'm going to mix that up. Okay, so now you're going to take your sweet potato that's in the egg wash out, and we're going to put it into the flour. And make sure it sticks on the flour. You might have to put your hand there and push the flour onto it. Okay, that's what it looks like once it has the flour on it. And we're going to put it right in the deep fryer. And it's frying. Next one into the egg wash. Flour. Okay, and I'm going to take the last one. Let me get something to put this on. Okay, I'm going to put this one in. And now we're going to do the same thing to this one. Putting the flour on it. I don't think I put this in the egg wash. My bad, guys, my bad. Okay, not too late. And in she goes. Okay. That's as easy as that, guys. I'm going to wash my hands. Okay, let's turn them over. Okay, why don't I give you the word of the day? Okay, the word of the day. The word of the day is our patience, finance, and endurance have been tested 100% during this sickness that's going on nationwide. So now you know how far you need to go in terms of learning patience, what you can do with your money now. You've seen that if you had no savings, you was in trouble. If you had some savings, it depleted really fast on 2 months of not working. All of those things let you know how to live your life in the future. So I guess if I could sum it all up for the word of the day, the nationwide sickness have taught us a new way of living. Okay, that's the word of the day. Let's check on our fried sweet potatoes, okay? Okay guys, let's see what's going on. Oh, it's looking good. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. Looks real good. Just flip it all around. Okay, so this is something else that we can try to make a difference in our menu at home, right? So that we're not eating the same thing all the time. I have a rack here that actually goes to my air fryer on top of this plate so that any excess oil can drip down off the fried sweet potato. Okay, I'm taking one out. Wow. Let me show you that. Look at that, will you? How about that? This is the second one out. We'll give that last one a few more minutes. Okay, I think that last one's ready. You can tell when they're ready, if you can take the tongs and push in and it's soft, you know they're ready. Okay, I'm cutting the deep fryer off. Wow. Look at that, guys. How about that, huh? Okay, so let me plate this up and then take a taste for you. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so let me taste it. Wow. Oh wow, who would have known? I taste the creaminess of the sweet potato, nice and soft, just kind of melts in your mouth. The crispiness of the batter around it, and the cinnamon. Oh my. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Now this one is for the books. You can have this for anything. For dinner, for lunch. You can cut it up into sweet potato french fries and batter it and have that. Oh, I could just go on and on and on. Wonderful. Wonderful. Please try it. Okay? Alright, give it a thumbs up if you like. Share the video. Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. And I'm using a fiberware deep fryer. It's very small. I think it's 2-point-something liter. And I got it from Walmart for $19.99. Great tool to have, inexpensive. Okay? Alright, Grandma Ray loves you. And if you have not subscribed before, there is no reason why you can't hit that button, because you like what you see over here. And I appreciate you and I welcome you to the family. Can't wait to say hello to you, okay? Alright, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.